Now, if you want to sort, you can either sort, you can do, you can sort based on number, okay? You can sort based on number, you can sort alphabetically. It depends on what you want to do. It depends on the kind of sorting you want to do, right? Okay, now if I want to sort this salary, from the lowest to the largest, right? So I have this column. Just click on top of the column and come to this place, sort and filter. Click on it, and as we did before, you can sort from smallest, right? Sort from smallest. This is the smallest salary on this column. Then you can click on it again. Like when you click on the column letter, when you click on it once, it will select the whole of the column. The same thing when you click on a row number, it will select the whole of the row. So if I click on this salary again, the column, I'll click on this sort and filter and do sort largest to smallest. So it's asking me a question, we just say sort. So this is the highest salary here, 99,996, whether in dollars, in pounds, or in naira. Right. So that is how to do sorting in one way. But there is another one called custom sorting. All right. I will show you that one in a moment. But if I click on this one, note that I didn't select anything here. So I click on this one. There is something here called custom sort. Click on it. So when you click on it now, let me explain this thing to you. Okay. This is when you want to sort based on different parameters. Okay. For example, I may want to sort based on department, then sort based on salary. So I'm first of all sort based on department, then later sort based on salary. So what it will do is that if it is starting from marketing, you will see the names of people in marketing, then their salary, maybe from least to the highest. Then it will move on to another department, put in the people there, and continue like that. So let's do it. Custom sort. So you can see it sort by salary, sales value, and so on and so forth. So the first thing I want to sort it by department. So I will say, I'll click on this and select department. Okay. So, and you see, so it's asking me the order of the sorting here. I will say from A to Z, that is in alphabetical order, from A to Z. So let me just click OK first to see what it will do. Okay. So you are seeing it. So it has sorted it based on department. That's why we have finance. If you move down, you see HR, IT, marketing, and so on and so forth. All right, so that's one. So now let me do custom sort again. And I want to sort based on different levels. So this is level 1. So I want to add another level. You click on add level to add another level of sorting. And in this case, I want to sort based on salary. So I'll select salary. All right, select salary. This one is saying from smallest to largest. Okay, that's okay. Don't forget, this is level 1 up here. This is another level. You can see sort by, then sort by. So I'll click OK. So look at it. What it has done is that it will first of all look at the people in finance. Okay, people in finance, and then we arrange their salaries in ascending order from the least to the highest.